Hey, I'm Mark, Accurate Automotive. We're going to do a water pump on this Chevy Cruze. I think it's a 16. More juice because they're tight little things. Yep. So if you look underneath, I already put a jack stand underneath with a rubber on top of the pan, so I let the car down and brings the motor up. Or you can use a floor jack, whatever. But since it's on a rack, 6 bolts, motor mounts off. Now I'm going to lower the car down, which will bring the engine up. Just enough so I can get to these bolts right here. That's the only reason I'm bringing it up. Torques. Oh, that's the one right there. Inspection-wise, found the water pump leaking. So we let the customer know water pump was leaking. On top of the valve cover is leaking. Had a misfire. Coil's bad. Spark plugs. We're doing spark plugs, coil pack, water pump. Take off the belt. There we go. All right. Take off the last bolt. Pulley comes off. And there's the water pump. This is the new water pump. There's a these are Torx bolts, so they take special sockets, and 8mm 6-point fits them just perfect. Which is going to catch the coolant as soon as I knock this fuel pump off, or this water pump off, like that. Get outside up here. Well, we're going to put new coolant in it, but it's not all really dirty. I mean, it's still orange. GMs have orange coolant. I always put a little silicone in that to hold that in place. Not a lot, just a little. Set that in there like right where it's supposed to go. Move it around a little bit. You don't want it to leak. Now it won't fall out. Can't see. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's good to have a good flashlight. Okay, putting the pulley back on. 3 bolts. Sometimes the water pump comes a new one, sometimes it doesn't. I'll put it snuggles up once I get the belt back on. Okay. So it goes like this, and then this one goes way over like that. Woo! Jack the car up, bring the engine down a smidge. Yeah, that's perfect. 3 small ones go here. 2 longer ones go here. Can't really mess that up. Now we're talking. Get my wrench. And there we be. And we just put coolant in there and start it up and watch the temperature.